Welcome back to another episode of Week in Review.
If you missed our episode last week, we almost died, but as you can tell, we're still alive, barely.
And this week we're rolling out 2 new courses. Still zombie mode over here. I'm Shelby.
I'm Danyelle, and today is November 4th. Let's get started.
First up this week, we have Intermediate Excel from Milan. This in-depth course will teach you how to do all the important, crazy, and sometimes hard to understand things within Microsoft Excel. Going over functions, importing data, and creating complex data analysis formulas, this course will have you using Excel as a pro in no time. Make sure you have a basic understanding of Excel before starting this course, as it is necessary to be able to follow along with the lesson.
Next up, we have Basic Evimetry Deadboot Forensic Acquisition, wireless network from Atlanta Data Forensics CEO Brian Dykstra. In this lesson, students will learn how to edit the Deadboot dongle for use in a wireless network and how to manage a forensic acquisition over Wi-Fi. This course is a continuation of Brian's other lessons going over Evimetry and a wired network, so make sure to catch that course as well. Coming in at under 30 minutes, this course will have you on your way in no time.
Thank you for tuning in to Cybrary Week in Review. Make sure to check back every Monday for more episodes to see what Cybrary is bringing you next, and like and subscribe.